Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Today we're gonna do our JavaScript course lesson 1, 2 and 3 combined. Actually, I already made these lessons separately. Lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3. But in this lesson, I'm gonna put them together. So this course is brand new JavaScript course. You can learn everything from beginners to advanced. For that, you need to stay with me. I will update or post every single lesson day by day. So stay with me. On my lesson 1, explained about variables. On my lesson 2, I explained about data types. And on my lesson 3, I explained about numbers and math operators in JavaScript. So this is not new, already been created, these lessons. So I just wanted to combine them together. Today I'm gonna start a brand new JavaScript course, and for that we need two things. First of all, we need a browser, and after that we need a text editor. As a browser, I prefer Google Chrome, and I hope everybody got the Google Chrome in their PC. And you need a text editor. There are lots of text editors. Suppose Sublime, Atom, Notepad++, and VS Code. I prefer VS Code because the popularity of VS Code is very high. Let's install a VS Code. For that one, just type code.visualstudio.com/download. It will bring you this page. So depending on your operating system, just click which one is yours. My one is Windows. So if you have another one like Mac, then you have to click on that one. Just click Windows, then just follow the step-by-step process. Mention a desktop icon as well. If you do that, at the end you will have a VS Code on the desktop like this, Visual Studio Code. Just click on that, double click, it will open VS Code text editor, and we need it to open folder. Just click on that. I'm gonna start work with a folder that is in my desktop. Click on desktop, and there is a folder web design, and my folder name is JavaScript. Just select that folder. You can see your folder under this Explorer. I want to set up this text editor and browser side by side. Make it a little bit smaller, and you need to install Node.js. So go to the Node.js website. Just type nodejs.org/en. It will bring you in this page. Then click on this download node.js LTS. Just click on that. It will install in the system. This is the folder. You need a file. Just click on that file. You can create two files. One is HTML file, another one is for JavaScript. And you can put any name. I'm gonna put index.html. Enter. This is the HTML file, and I need one more for the JavaScript. So you can put any name with the JS extension. Script.js. Enter. We need to link this JavaScript file with the HTML file to work on the browser. Go to index.html file. In VS Code, just type exclamatory sign and enter. It will create a boilerplate. H1, enter JavaScript course. Always remember to link the JavaScript file just before the closing body tag. Type script, src, this one, just click that one. So you need to put the address of the JavaScript file. Our JavaScript file name is script.js. Save it. We just created an external JavaScript file, script.js. But if we want, we can use the same HTML file for JavaScript coding. Just type script. And inside this opening and closing script tags, we have to write our code. Just type alert. In between this double quotation, type something. Suppose hello world. Hello world. Save it. Hello world on the alert box. Click OK. We can use internal JavaScript. Also, we can use external. But for the big file, it's better to use the external JavaScript. So just remove this. Save it and go to the external file. Just check it how it works. Type alert, and inside the double quotation, I am here. Save it. Our external file as well working. Just click on the OK. Just remove that. Today we're gonna learn variable. In modern JavaScript, there are two ways to create a variable. First one is with the let keyword and second one with const keyword. Just type let keyword, then you need to put the variable name. Suppose name equal, you need to put the value inside this double quotation Jamie. With the const keyword, just type const, the variable name is color equal, put double quotation yellow. This way need to store the value inside the variable name const. And older way we used to use var keyword for the variable. Variable can contain letters, numbers, underscore, dollar sign, but it cannot start with the numbers. You can use the numbers in the name, but number cannot stay at the beginning of the name. Let's do some coding exercise, then it will be clear. Type let name equal, it can be double quotation or single quotation, Jamie. Let maybe age 35, let year 2011. Now there are three variables. Variable used to store the data, like maybe I did something in 2011, so I can store that information in a variable. Type console.log. I'm gonna type just log, enter. Suppose my first variable is name. Again type log. Here is not first one, second one, just selected. In there say age and console.log year. Where you can see the output, you can see it in two places. One is developer console, another one is terminal. On the Google Chrome page, here three dots, click on there and go down and see the more tools. On the left side, developer tools, click on that, it will open the developer tool. Click on the console, then it will show you the output. The name Jamie, age 35, year 2011. And also you can see it in the terminal. Click on these three lines, there is terminal, open the new terminal. And here just type node space file name script.js, enter. On there is showing the name Jamie, age 35 and year 2011. Here we put in three lines. If we want, we can use them all three in the same console.log. Type log. Before that, I don't need this anymore because I'm gonna use another console.log. So you can make them comment. If you want to make single line comment, then just put double / beginning of the line. It will be comment as a single line. If you want to make multiple line comment, then you have to do / then asterisk, and also at the end start with the asterisk then / type log, enter. Console.log. Here you can put the three variables together, just separate them with the comma, like name, comma, age, comma, year. Save it, all of them in the same line. If you want to see it here on the terminal, node space script.js, save it. See all of them in the same line. The terminal or the developer console, both are working same way. So if you want to see it here, then you need to link the script.js file with the HTML file. If you want to use the terminal, you don't need to use the HTML file. How to update your data? Here name is Jamie. If you want to update it, you don't need to type the let keyword again. Just type the name equal, inside the double quotation say Sam, age equal, before it was 35, now maybe 43. You don't need to put double quotation for the numbers, and year equal 2022. Save it. Console.log, inside there name, comma, age, comma, year. Save it. Before it was Jamie 35 2011, now it's updated to Sam 43 and 2020. This way you can update the data as well. Make them comment / asterisk at the end, asterisk / Go to the next line. If you use constant, put const, maybe color equal, double quotation yellow, log color. Save it. Color is yellow. If you want to update it, color equal green. Save it. It is showing type error because constant cannot be updated, or same constant cannot use twice, so only single use for the same constant. And old way, people used to use the var keyword, var book equal Harry Potter, and console.log book. Then save it. See Harry Potter here. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay with me for the next videos. Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Today we're gonna do JavaScript full course lesson 3. In this lesson we're gonna discuss about numbers and math operators. So let's see how numbers work in JavaScript. Type alert inside the parenthesis and we put 7 plus 5. Save it and showing 12. If you put 7 minus 5, save it, it will show 2. 7 divide 5, save it, and showing 1.4. Click OK. 7 multiply 5, save it, 35. And if you do modulo, when you do this operation, it will find the remainder. 2 is the remainder. Click OK. These are the simple mathematical calculation. So if the calculation is little bit bigger, then how are we gonna deal with that? Suppose 3 plus inside the parenthesis 3 plus 2 power 2 times the asterisk power 2 minus 15 divide 3. So in that case, how it will work? At first you have to complete whatever inside this bracket, then indices. So this power 3 plus 2 5 power 2 means 25 minus you have to divide 15 by 3. So there will be 5. So 25 minus 5, 20 plus 3, 23 should be the answer. If you save it, 23. Every time when you do the calculation, you have to follow this order of operations. Just make it comment greater than or less than how it works. Like alert inside the parenthesis 5 greater than 4. Save it. It says true. 5 is greater than 4. So it's true. If you say 5 less than 4, save it. So it says false. 5 is not less than 4. You put double equal 4, save it, says false. 5 is not equal to 4. You put not equal to 4, what they say. You need to put exclamatory sign before the double equal. Save it. So it says true. So 5 is not equal to 4. Make it comment. If you work with the string or alphabets, how it will work? Alert. Inside the parenthesis, if you say A greater than P, save it. It says false. Alphabets start from A. The next letter is greater than the previous letter. A is not greater than P. That's why it says false. But if you say P greater than A, save it. It says true because P is greater than A. Click OK. If you say M-E-N, mean greater than man, it says true. So how it works? So when there are 2-3 characters in each of them, JavaScript will check the first character. First character for this is M and the next one as well M. So these are the same thing. So if both of them are same, then it will go for the next one. Next one is E and here next one is A. So here E is greater than A. That's why it says true. Here maybe one character more. Nah. If it is like that, so then what will happen? Save it. It says true because here there are 4 characters, but for the second one is 3 characters. So whatever result up to 3, fourth one is A here, but here there is no 4th character. So automatically this one is greater than the next one. Type alert and inside the parenthesis, if you say string type 3 greater than 3, save it, false, because we made it string. But when there is a comparison, at first when it checked the type, it found like string type this one and the next one is number. After that it will check inside the quotation, is it number or not. If it is number, then it will count this as a number because it is going to compare with the another number. 3 and 3 is equal. That's why it says false. If we put double equal and save it, it says true. But if we put triple equal, save it, it says false. Because when we put double equal, it doesn't check the type. But when we put 3 equals, it will compare with the type as well. So string type cannot be equal to a number. That's why When you save it, it says false. Triple equal method, it says strict equality check. Make it comment. Suppose there is a variable, let borrow equal to 12. If you want to add 1 with this 12, how you gonna do it? Borrow equal borrow plus 1. Then alert, inside the parenthesis type borrow. Save it. 13. So 12 plus 1, 13. So this is one way you can do this. Make it comment. Another way is borrow plus plus. Save it. It says 13. You can do any way. If you want to remove 1 from this 12, what you have to do? You can do just minus minus. Minus minus. Save it. Says 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. This thing works for only one increase or one decrement. But if you want to add 7, in that case you have to say like borrow plus equal 7. Save it. 19. 12 plus 7, 19. If you want to remove 7, then minus equal 7. So save it. So 12 minus 7, so 5. If you want to multiply with the 7, let's put asterisk equal 7. Save it. As 84. 12 multiply 7 equal to 84. If you want to divide by 7, just put it division equal 7. Save it. 12 divide 7 is 1.7 something. This way you can add or remove the numbers from one to another one. Make it comment. These are just shorthand notation. We have one variable borrow equal to 12. Let another variable outcome equal to, we're gonna add some strings and variable. Strings need to put inside the single or double quotation. Maybe put give me. Then how are you gonna add them? Plus variable doesn't need any quotation. Borrow plus inside the pounds. Save it. After that alert inside the parenthesis outcome. Save it. It says give me 12 pounds. 12 pounds together. So if you want to make a gap, you just need to make a space inside this quotation. Save it. Give me 12 pounds. You need to put the strings inside the quotation, then put the variable, then add another string. This way you can add the strings and variables. But the thing is, like, if you need to add lots of strings and variables, that will be a bit annoying to work. So in that case, there is another way to work in JavaScript, that is called template string. So there will be another lesson on template string. So today I'm not discussing about template string, or in that lesson I'm gonna explain this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Now we're gonna do our JavaScript full course lesson 2. In this lesson, we're gonna discuss about data types in JavaScript. In JavaScript, there are different types of data types, mainly 7 to 8 types. Those are number, string, big int, boolean, null, undefined, object, symbol data types. So numbers can be integer or decimal, like 2, 4, 6, 7, 4.5 or 7.3. They can be like integer numbers, full number, or with the decimal as well. Let's do a little bit practice. Type alert inside the parenthesis, write 2, save it. On the browser, inside the alert box, number 2. If you put 3.14, at first you need to complete this one. Click OK. After that, save it. It will show the decimal number as well in the alert box. The number types can be integer or decimal. Now click OK, make them comment. Next data type is string. Strings can be combination of characters. It can be someone's name, or it can be someone's email address, or any combination of letters inside the double quotation or single quotation. Let str equal to double quotation hello John. alert. Inside the parenthesis, just put this variable name string. Save it. On the alert box it says hello John. Okay, click OK. Okay, remove this. I need to borrow 30 pounds. Save it. It says I need to borrow 30 pounds. We displayed this string as a variable. Let's type another variable. Let money equal 30. So number types doesn't need quotation, double quotation or single quotation. Only the characters need to put inside the quotation. How you can put this variable inside this next variable? In JavaScript, you need to type $, then inside the curly braces, need to put the variable name money. Save it. Alert box is showing exactly same way. Like I need to borrow $, inside the curly braces, money, pounds. But it doesn't make any sense. 30 not showing there. So how you gonna show it on the alert box? Click OK. So if you want to show it on the alert box, like the value of money, in that case you cannot put single or double quotation. Just remove this quotation, and you need to put the whole sentence inside the backtick. I think everybody knows where is the backtick on the keyboard. It is just before the number 1. There is some sign, so one of them is backtick. Just save it now. So when you saved it, it's not showing like before. This giving that value of money 30. So it says I need to borrow 30 pounds. So if you want to show one variable inside another variable, in that case you need to put the full sentence inside the backtick, and the variable you want to show, that one need to start with the $, and inside the curly braces. Click OK. Make them comment big int. Actually big int means big integer number. Money equal, so I start with the late numbers, doesn't need the quotation. So just put the number 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I hope it's enough. So this is a big integer number. Alert, inside the parenthesis say money. Save it. It is showing the mathematical scientific way. 2.3 and at the end e plus 27. It's showing like that. If you want to see the same numbers n at the end, now just save it. Say start with the 2 3 4 5 5 and at the end 88. So in the alert box it will not show that n, but it will show the full number. So when you put any big number, that time you need to put the n at the end. Make them comment. Next one is Boolean data type. This is a special true or false logical value. We use this for condition. So if we want to make any condition, is it true or is it false? In that case, we can use this Boolean data type. They are not a string. You don't need to use the quotation. Let job done equal true. We put this Boolean value inside a variable name, and we know that two words need to be camel casing to make as a variable. So first one with the small and second one start with the capital letter. Then alert, inside the parenthesis put the variable name job done and save it. In the alert box it says true. If you say false, so save this, says false, make it comment. And after that null value. Null and undefined, they are similar but little bit different. Null, a variable that doesn't have a real value. You will not find any value for that data type. Let uniform equal null. So alert, inside the parenthesis say uniform. Save it. It says null. Like you're looking for the uniform size of employee. In that case, maybe you don't have any value for that size. In that case, you can put null and just save it, and it will show the size is null. No size available for that. Just click it. Okay. I said null and undefined similar. So what is undefined? Undefined is a variable that is not defined yet. Suppose you make something as a variable, but you didn't put any value, like let year, made it variable, but you didn't put any value yet. So it means this variable is undefined. Alert, inside the parenthesis year. If you are looking for someone's birth year, then you put the query, and if you didn't put the value yet, in that case save it. It will say undefined. The birth year is undefined, it's not defined yet, you didn't put it yet. Click OK. After that, object, we already saw some other data types. Those all are primitive data types. They can contain only one type, like every single data type will work as only one kind of, but this object data type can contain many data types. It is complex data structures, like it can combine like arrays, dates, object literals, all of these things. So when we're gonna explain briefly about the object data types, then it will be clear. So now you just try to remember that object data types can contain lots of different data types together, but the other data types are primitive data types and they just work as the single data type. And the symbol, this one is just newly added to JavaScript. They are linked with object. So I'm gonna give you the brief explanation later in different chapter about the object and symbol. So I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay with me for the next lesson. And don't forget to support my channel.